Hello everybody. Today we are going to start the new method of the preparation from the phosphorus halide. There are two types of the phosphorus halides. Phosphorus trihalides like that of the SCl, 3 PaCl3, PbR3 and PI3. Out of that PCl3 which is easily available, but PbR3 and PI3 gets prepared by the action of red phosphorus on bromine and iodine respectively. That process is called in situ process for the preparation of PbR3 and PI3. When alcohol get reacted with the PCl3, that time there is a formation of alkyl halide along with H3PO3 phosphorus acid. The mechanism of the reaction takes place as follows. Alcohol in which the OH group which is already present, the oxygen carries the lone pair of electron, that oxygen which is donated to the phosphorus. Due to the donation of the electron to the phosphorus, what happens? The formation of a coordinate bond between oxygen and the phosphorus takes place. As there is a formation of a coordinate bond between them, what happens? The valency, that is nothing but the PCl3, already gets fulfilled. But at the same time, due to the loss of electron by means of the oxygen, it carries positive charge. As it carries the positive charge, it needs the extra electron, and that extra electron they are accepted from the alkyl group, that is nothing but the R group. And due to that, the inward pull of the electron comes out of the alkyl group. What happens? The same time, the Cl which is already present in the structure get eliminated at the same time. That Cl minus get added on the alkyl from the back side. And due to that, what happens? The inversion of a configuration takes place. Along with that, the formation of the first molecule of alkyl halide takes place, along with the byproduct, that is nothing but the PCl2OH. That PCl2OH get reacted with the second molecule of the alcohol. As it reacted with the second molecule, what happened? The same thing which has happened, that is nothing but the lone pair of electron from the oxygen get donated to the phosphorus. At the same time, the second chlorine from the PCl2OH gets eliminated, and due to that, what happened? The bond formation takes place between ROP, that is nothing but again the coordinate bond formation takes place, along with, due to the deficiency of electron, it carry positive charge. As there is a deficiency of electron, it is able or it try to accept the lone pair of electron from the adjacent carbon, that is nothing but the alkyl group. When it try to accept the lone pair of electron or electron from the alkyl group, that time R becomes more positive. As it becomes more positive, it gets reacted along with the Cl minus. Due to that, the second molecule of the alkyl halide formation is possible, along with the product, that is nothing but the PClOH. That PClOH again get reacted with the third molecule of the alcohol. The same thing is happen, that is nothing but the lone pair of electron from the oxygen of the alcoholic group get transferred or donated to the phosphorus in order to form the coordinate bond. As there is a formation of a coordinate bond between oxygen and phosphorus, due to the deficiency of electron, oxygen again carry the positive charge. In order to fulfill their valency, what happens? The oxygen which can accept the lone pair of electron from the nascent or the adjacent carbon, and due to the acceptance of the electron from the adjacent carbon atom, what happens? Ultimately, there is a formation of the third molecule, that is nothing but alkyl chloride, along with the POH. As there are three hydrogen atom, three oxygen atom and one phosphorus atom, it becomes, or it may be as H3PO3. That is nothing but a phosphorus acid formation or takes place. Along with the formation of the three molecule 1, 2 and 3, and that's why the mechanism, that is the reaction already explained, the three molecules of the alcohol get reacted with the PCl3, that time formation of the three molecule of alkyl halide along with the H3PO3 molecule. That is nothing but the thing which is associated with the action of PX3, that is nothing but action of PCl3 on the alcohol. Now the second, that is nothing but the second phosphorus halide, that is nothing but the phosphorus pentachloride only. Why? Because PBr5 and PI5, they are not in the existence, and that's why only PCl5 attack on the alcohol. Once PCl5 get reacted along with the alcohol, that time formation of the alkyl halide, that is nothing but RCl along with the POC, the phosphorus oxychloride, and the SCl formation takes place. During that particular reaction, the mechanism is like that. What happens? The first molecule of the PCl5 get reacted along with the alcohol. That time, as oxygen carry lone pair of electron, the lone pair of electron which is donated to the phosphorus. Once it donated to the phosphorus, that time ultimately the one of the chlorine from that gets eliminated in the form of a Cl minus radical. What is remains? We have PCl4 which is remains here. Here the coordinate bond formation takes place between oxygen and phosphorus. Oxygen and the phosphorus. Due to the loss of lone pair of electron, oxygen carry positive charge. Oxygen carry positive charge. In order to fulfill, that means it requires, it is a electron deficient, and once it is electron deficient, it try to gain electron from the neighboring one. There are two neighboring atoms. Instead of a R, what happens? The lone pair of electron which is taken from that of the hydrogen, and once the lone pair of electron taken from that of the hydrogen, or the electron taken from that of the hydrogen, what happens? The creation of the H plus takes place. That H plus get reacted with the Cl minus in order to form SCl, and what happened? The structure which is like that of ROPCl4. Here again the two lone pair of electron, they are maintained as it is on the oxygen due to the breakdown of the bond between hydrogen and oxygen. What happened? Again that oxygen having the tendency to donate the lone pair of electron, and that's why it donate the lone pair of electron to the phosphorus. At the same time, the second chlorine atom from the PCl4, what happens? Get detached in order to form the Cl minus. That time, the oxygen due to the donation of a lone pair of electron, it carry the positive charge. The structure is like that of RO plus double bond PCl. The bond PCl. Why? Because already one bond is there. The second, due to the donation of a lone pair of electron, get established here, and due to that, such type of the structure which is came in the existence. In order to form the resultant structure, what happens? The Cl minus radical already present in the reacting mixture which is nearby to that. What happens? It will take attack on that particular alkyl group in order to form alkyl halide. The remaining structure, that is nothing but the POCl3, that is nothing but the phosphorus oxychloride along with the formation of the alkyl halide takes place. That is nothing but the action of the PCl5. That is the action of the PCl5 on alcohol, as well as the PCl3 on the alcohol. Here the inversion of a configuration takes place. Why is it so? Because the backside atom is there, and here there is no inversion, but what happens? The arrangement takes place within the molecule, and that's why it is a SNI type of a reaction. That is nothing but nucleophilic substitution, internal nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is possible in case of an action of a PCl5. And the last one, that is nothing but from the thionyl chloride, SOCl2. The thionyl chloride, forming action of the thionyl chloride may take place in the presence of a pyridine as well as in the absence of the pyridine. Now, if there is no any particular specification is there, that time in the absence of that particular pyridine, what happens? When alcohol get reacted with the thionyl chloride, that time formation of the alkyl halide along with the elimination of the SO2 gas and HCl takes place. That reaction is more beneficial. Why is it so? Because the byproduct formation taking place in that particular reactions are SO2 as well as the HCl, both are in the gaseous state, and that's why they never need in order to purify further the product, and that's why it is more beneficial process for the preparation of the alkyl halide from the alcohol by the action of a SOCl2. What is the action? Again here, the alcohol ROH, the oxygen carrying the lone pair of electron, SOCl2, the structure of SOCl2 is like that. What happens? The lone pair of electron donated to that particular sulfur. That time, what happens? The double bond already present between oxygen and the sulfur. the lone pair of electron carry on the oxygen, and due to that, ultimately there is a charge separation. First of all, the double bond which carry the lone pair of electron here, that time the charge separation is there in the SO2. Negative charge carried by oxygen, positive charge carried by means of the sulfur. As it is positively charged, in order to fulfill their valency or in order to fulfill their requirement, it accepts the lone pair of electron from the oxygen. Due to the acceptance of the lone pair of electron from the oxygen, what happens? Ultimately, the oxygen carry positive charge. Oxygen carry positive charge, and second oxygen which carry the negative charge. Due to that, the structure formation takes place RO, SCl, O minus, Cl and H. What happened in the next step? Ultimately, the hydrogen and the chlorine from the adjacent sulfur as well as oxygen takes place. Due to elimination of that, formation of a HCl takes place. What is remains behind? The remaining structure is nothing but R as it is, O as it is, O as it is, as well as a S double bond O here and the Cl. What happened in the next step? Formation of a SO2 in the form of a gaseous phase gets eliminated and again bind with the chlorine in order to form RCl. That means the formation of the alkyl halide along with the elimination of a SO2 as well as the elimination of the HCl in the form of a gaseous phase. It is possible to prepare the pure alkyl halide, and that's why that particular process which is more beneficial. In order to prepare alkyl halide from thionyl chloride, action of a thionyl chloride on alcohol. Thank you.